Hey guys, welcome back. This is a 2012 Kia Soul. This vehicle actually was here a couple of days back for a misfire, and cylinder number 4 is causing the misfire. So what I did is I removed the coil. I did install it on cylinder number 1, and I also removed the spark plug and installed it to cylinder number 3. Then when I started the vehicle, the misfire jumped to cylinder number 1, and the spark plug looks pretty new. So I did not recommend the spark plug, and I only recommend the coil. I gave the customer an option to fix this, just one coil, but all of them are the same age and mileage, so the customer decided to replace all 4. Now I'm going to show you guys how to replace the ignition coil on your 2012 Kia Soul. Stay tuned. Okay, the check engine light remains on. Right now it's not misfiring, but on my way in, the vehicle misfired. Now I can feel it. There we go. There we go. Now it started misfiring. There. You guys see the shake? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna shut it off right now. Oh, this one is out. I didn't touch this one when I diagnosed it, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix it for the customer. Okay, I got my 10mm magnetic. By the way, I did disconnect my negative battery cable. And here is the one causing the misfire, guys. Look, they're all the same condition. Alright, so even though these 3 are not misfiring right now, it's always a good practice to replace all of them. Here are the 4 ignition coils, and here's the part number. I just want to show you guys the spark plug condition. They're pretty new. NGK, it's a good one. When you install the spark plug, always start by hand. Then just speed up the process by using your electric tool. Alright. First ignition foiling there. Second, third, and fourth one. And go get the spec. Don't get confused on this one, guys. Sometimes people will put this number 2 to number 1 and then number 1 to number 2. It will plug in, but yeah, I've seen some technician does that. All right, I also recommend battery cleaning, but the customer declined it. Alright guys, so the vehicle is running. I don't have a check engine light right now because earlier I did disconnected the battery, but I'm gonna go ahead and scan it right now. I might get some history code, which is misfire, and I need to update my VCI down there. This thing is gonna take a minute, guys. Engine sounds pretty good right now. Okay, so right now I do have 0. Everything is 0 right now. So yeah, I think we fixed the car, guys. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye. I almost forgot this. There you go. Now that one is secured. Alright guys, again, thank you so much. Have a great day.